The rise and fall of Islamic society from the 10th of the 8th month of 1446. Ibn Khaldun knew their golden age was over. Kingdoms came and went to be torn apart in more than rage. Historians write their secular Bibles. Sages know the role of blood, soil, and resources, but don't deny the character of the involved souls. Ibn Ashakir overturned the supposed astronomy for those in control. Mansur ibn Ilyas was known for the controversial, but most so for detailing our structure in the physical. That time is over, and it is for us in our place to expand into our time. One of the problems with pointing to golden ages and all that sort of stuff is that it largely falls into what is called taqlid, this clinging. And the point is to be able to understand the teachings, to experience the practices in the terms of our own time, of our own place. And Mansur ibn Muhammad ibn Ahmed ibn Yusuf ibn Ilyas could have copied his work from other sources, but he certainly figured out some things on how the body worked, and he made a very useful structure. Now, Ibn Akhtar or Abul al-Hassan ala al-Din bin Ali bin Ibrahim bin Muhammad bin al-Matam al-Ansari was known as a timekeeper, and so some observation and engineering naturally became part of things. He did work with ivory, but specific arts aren't really the focus of what we're going on here. Ibn Khaldun was a philosopher, and what I mean, the Bible compiles sacred history. So in a way, he compiled a sort of sacred history because he was talking about the societies that were supposed to believe in Muhammad. But the thing about that sort of stuff is just because someone's Muslim doesn't mean that their ways are Islamic in every way, or that the society is somehow sanctioned by Islam. We need to distinguish Sharia law from the preferred law of whatever country. Because Sharia, if you use it as a technical term, it's supposed to be something different than just the law of the country. But if you use it outside of that, so there's a context for some of these terms that people generally don't know what it means. It's like madrasa. It's like a madrasa is a school. So don't pretend that, oh, we use the Arabic word for school, so therefore it doesn't teach anything. It's like, well, sometimes things, those who can teach religion teach religion. Those who can teach more teach more. Those that can teach something else teach something else. The Arabic word for school remains the same. There's a lot of misunderstanding. So let's not fall under any suppositions about political and popular Islam.